Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and hey, welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make $5,000 per month with DeFi and crypto staking. Actually, it's more of a strategy that I'm going to show you, and actually it's kind of more of along the lines of a strategy that many of you probably won't be able to do, but I'm showing you anyway just for fun. Anyway guys, so if you're new to the channel and this is the first video you've ever seen of mine and you think you might enjoy the content that I create, then obviously you guys go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me here on Twitter as well if you want. I like to talk about altcoins, crypto stuff, all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead and give me a follow. You might as well. Why not? All right, guys, so we're going to be looking into crypto staking today. Everybody's heard of staking. Pretty much what it is when you lock up your liquidity, you're basically able to, or you're basically supporting the network, and you are basically paid out in rewards for helping to support the network, pretty much. That's pretty much the gist of it in a broad sense, okay? So realistically here, you guys, when I'm talking about crypto staking too, I'm talking about it from more of a beginner's perspective, okay? Because there's a lot of people out there who simply, they want to make extra money, but they don't want to be technical about it, right? And that's okay. I mean, not everybody wants to get technical about this stuff. So there's many different ways that you can stake crypto or earn rewards on your crypto without having to actually be technical about it, okay? And I'm going to show you the numbers here and what it's going to take to reach certain levels and all kinds of good things. So, but fair warning, you guys, it's a lot more than you think, okay? You got to have a lot of money to play into this game in order to make a lot of money. So you're about to see it in a little bit here. So guys, the very first coin I want to show you today, you guys, is going to be Cardano or ADA, okay? So guys, honestly, realistically, let me just go ahead and do this real quick, just so that these numbers don't mess with you guys or confuse you or anything. Let me just start off with Cardano, okay? So we're looking at Cardano right here, all right? ADA. And pretty much everywhere you stake it, you're going to earn roughly about 5%, okay? Now, here's the thing with Cardano, all right? There's multiple different places you can stake it. You can officially delegate your tokens into like an official staking pool, or you can use a non-custodial wallet or some other type of service that allows you to pretty much delegates your funds or your tokens into a pool automatically by itself. And there's a bunch of different services that you can do that with. My personal favorite, you guys, is I really enjoy the Exodus wallet and the Atomic wallet. I've used both for many years. I've never had any issues with them whatsoever. And I know you're probably going to find in a lot of different places online. There's probably people around there that have been like, oh, don't use these, don't use those. I don't know why they're saying that because, like I said, you guys, I've been using these services for about 3 years now. I've never had any issues whatsoever. They've been great with me. So just ignore the negativity, I guess you could say. All right, so guys, as far as ADA goes, we want to figure out how much you need to invest in order to make $1,000 a month, $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $5,000 a month, and then $10,000 a month, okay? So guys, the first one we're going to do is ADA, and check this out. Trust me, it is a lot more than you think. So let's check it out. So with ADA, we're going to earn 5%, and these are the numbers that I came up with, you guys. So in order to make $1,000 a month, you guys, you're gonna have to spend roughly $220,000. Meaning it's gonna take roughly $220,000 based on Cardano or ADA currently trading at $1. It's going to take roughly $220,000 to be able to get a return of at least $1,000 a month in ADA. And that's the other confusing part about this too, you guys, is when you're earning rewards on crypto, you're not earning rewards in dollars, you're earning rewards in crypto. So you got to remember that, the value of these cryptos are changing every single day. So I'm kind of basing these numbers based off of general overview numbers. So obviously these numbers are going to be different if Cardano is currently trading at $2 instead of $1, okay? But that's why I put down here in the orange, these numbers are based on Cardano or ADA currently trading at $1, okay? So if it's trading at $1 or around $1, you're going to need to you're going to need at least $220,000 in staking ADA in order to make a $1,000 return on your staking per month. So $1,000 per month. Then the same thing is true for $3,000 a month. You're pretty much tripling that. You're going to need $660,000. And then $5,000 a month, you're going to need 1.1 million. And then 2.2 million for $10,000 a month. And there are people doing this, you guys. I mean, it's just, I mean, these numbers aren't, you know, anything crazy or anything like that. There's a lot of people who are doing this. They are putting big money into staking crypto because, hey, it earns some good side cash on the side, so why not? And in addition, you guys, it is much better than sitting in your savings account earning nothing. So realistically, this is not financial advice, but realistically here, you guys, it doesn't take a guy with a high IQ to realize that you can make quite a bit more from staking crypto than keeping it in your bank account. So guys, that's pretty much the reality of staking, Cardano or ADA tokens. Now, that's the crappy thing about, ADA is, you're staking it, but you're only earning 5%. And that's kind of going to be pretty much your rate pretty much everywhere, realistically. Now, guys, when we move over to XTZ and SOL, the reason why I have them two together is because you can stake them both for 7%. And the place where I would go for them, obviously here on Exodus, what you see on Exodus here, you're going to earn 5.7%, but that's why I, also use the Atomic wallet, because the Atomic wallet, you're able to earn more for some of these coins as well. So obviously Solana, you're earning 7% here, and Tezos, you're earning 7%, okay? So let's see what you could potentially earn, or what you will potentially earn with both of these. Okay, so let's check it out here. So with XTZ and SOL, you guys, it's going to take roughly $160,000 of your initial buy-in, and based at the current prices, based at XTZ currently trading for $3 and SOL currently at $100. Okay, guys, you're going to need to buy in at $160,000 in order to make at least $1,000 in a return, or $480,000 for a $3,000 return, and then $800,000 for a $5,000 return every month on a monthly basis, you guys. So as you guys can see, it gets more and more, but again, the buy-in amount is a lot less compared to Cardano, for instance, at $220,000, because you're earning a lot more. You're earning that extra 2%. So you don't need as much to be able to buy in to make that $1,000 a month. So if you are trying to make a specific make a specific amount per month, it's best to go with whatever is offering the highest yield, obviously. So guys, let's check it out. Now, obviously, again, guys, this all changes. All of these numbers completely change if, as the prices of these coins start moving around a lot. All right, so let's check out. Now we've did XTZ and SOL. Now we're going to do ZIL. So Zilliqa is you can currently make 11%. Wait a second, I think that's wrong actually. Hold on, that might be my fault. I might have screwed that up. Okay, so Zilliqa is actually 14%. I must have accidentally put band protocol there, but it meant to be Zilliqa. So Zilliqa, let's see what you can potentially make, all right? Where did my thing go? What am I trying to do here? Okay, there we go. So Zilliqa, 11%, or sorry, 14%. My numbers are based on 14%. I don't know why I put 11% there. That's just my fault. All right, so Zilliqa, here we go, you guys. Here we go. Now you start to see the numbers get really small, or much, much smaller. You only need only need to buy in at $85,000, or with $85,000, based on Zilliqa currently trading at 10 cents. You only need to buy in at $85,000 in order to make $1,000 a month, or $425,000 in order to make that $5,000 a month goal, like what this video is really about. And as you guys can see, it's even, it's a lot less for $10,000 a month for people who are earning, or for people who, choose ZIL over the other smaller ROI cryptocurrencies, I guess you could say. All right, guys. So lastly, now we've got Atom. Okay, so for Atom or Cosmos Atom, you can earn 15%. Actually, it's a little more. It's like 15.7%. And this is why I use both Atomic Wallet and Exodus Wallet, you guys, because look at this. If you look at here on Atomic Wallet, they're only offering 10% for people who are staking Cosmos or Atom. But on the Exodus Wallet, you are earning 15.7%, as you can see right here. Okay. So let's check this out. All right, let's go to the very, very, very far end here. And we've got Atom. So Atom, To make $1,000 a month, guys, you're going to need to buy in with $80,000 right now, based on Atom currently trading at $21, okay? And, you know, for $5,000 a month, you're going to need to buy in with $400,000. And, you know, I know you guys, that probably seems like a lot to most people, because I'm pretty sure most people who are watching my videos are probably people who don't have very much money to be able to buy in with, which is okay. That's pretty much generally the most of the world. But that's completely okay, because, I mean, you can easily work your way up to these numbers, no problem whatsoever. It will take time. You just have to be patient and learn how to, you know, control your emotions. It can happen, and it happens to people every day, you guys. So realistically here, you guys, you've seen these numbers. I mean, the numbers really don't lie. I mean, the numbers are right there. You can definitely make it happen, but it takes a good amount of money for this to actually happen, and for you to actually make these kinds of, you know, to make these kinds of yields and to make these kinds of numbers realistically. And in addition, guys, the other thing you have to think about is these numbers are growing. As you know, these numbers are growing. You're going to earn more and more in a dollar amount, you know, every single, you know, as these coins appreciate in dollar value, you're going to earn more in dollar value on your staking, you know, on whatever you're staking as well. So you have to think about things like that as well, you guys. But the key thing to remember here, you guys, is when you're staking, you are not earning in dollar amounts, okay? You are earning based on the amount of tokens that you're earning. So realistically here, when you're staking any coin, you guys, you're getting earnings back in more coins, not dollar bills, okay? So that is one key thing to clearly remember here. Now, as far as staking goes, you guys, you know, I use a lot of Exodus and a lot of Atomic Wallet. I also use Voyager as well. Voyager is a public company, and you can, I mean, you can earn rewards on all kinds of different cryptos on here. I mainly just use Voyager to earn rewards on Polkadot, or, you know, DOT, because you can earn 12% on there. That's not bad at all. That's awesome. And so if you want to stake DOT, hey, you know, Voyager definitely offers it, you guys. Let's see here. Other than that, you know, I think that pretty much does it and covers everything that I wanted to cover here for this video, you guys. I mean, I know it's a pretty rough strategy, and it takes a lot of money to, it really does, guys. It really takes a lot of money to make this happen. But I mean, you really can make it happen. It will take time. And, you know, hey, I mean, the sky's the limit with crypto. Everybody knows that. So, but guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter. You can find the link to it in the video description down below. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.